Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with residential grade carpeting, solid surface kitchen countertops, high-to-bed sofa, theater seat for two with cup holders, mirrored wardrobe doors, washer and dryer prepped, bathroom cabinet with mirror, outside kitchen refrigerator, entertainment center, drip spouts, double door refrigerator, ducted AC, outside speakers, kitchen pantry, shower skylight, electric awning with LED lights, ball bearing drawer guides, solid surface sink covers, roof ladder, outside storage, wardrobe with storage drawers, spare tire and carrier, front bedroom, freestanding table with chairs, bedside power outlets, solar power prep, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth stereo system, universal docking system, bedroom chest with drawers, designer headboard, vanity with sink, triple slides, pull-out spray faucet, entry grab handle, outside shower, detachable power cord, bathroom shower with a seat, pot and pan drawer, kitchen island with double sink, stainless double kitchen sink, oven, heated enclosed underbelly, end tables on either side of the sofa, over-the-range microwave, dual lights over headboard, living area television, dual bedroom nightstands, decorative kitchen backsplash, high-rise faucet, electric stabilizer jacks, living room fireplace, pleated shades, sleeps up to 4 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.